Still scrolling through rows to match data in Excel? Stop right there. Today, I'll show you the smartest way to pull information from any dataset, using VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP even if you're a complete beginner. Okay, let's jump in. Here's the simple example we'll work with. And we'll start with the classic VLOOKUP. First, click the cell where you want the result to appear. Now type equals VLOOKUP. Open parenthesis, and select your lookup value, let's say F3. Next, highlight your full table range. Enter the column index number you want to return. And finally, type false for an exact match. Close the parentheses, and hit enter. This instantly returns the name. Want the salary? Just change the column number to 4. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can pull multiple details like name, department, and salary in one go. Just type equals VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value. Now, select the full table. And inside the curly braces, enter the column numbers you want to fetch. Finally, false for exact match. Press enter, and now Excel returns all the matching information from the same ID automatically. No more searching, no more scrolling, and no more guessing. VLOOKUP is great, but it does have limits. It can only look to the right. And you must update column numbers every time your data shifts. Now let's level up, because Excel has a smarter, more flexible lookup tool, XLOOKUP. Here's how simple it is. Click the cell where you want the result. Type equals XLOOKUP. Select your lookup value again, let's use F3. Next, choose your lookup array, which is usually your ID column. Then select your return array, the column that contains the information you want. Close the parentheses. Hit enter, and watch the magic. This instantly returns the name from column B. Need the department or salary? You simply change the return array, not the column number. No counting columns, no worrying about shifting data, and no left or right limitations. XLOOKUP goes wherever your data lives. And here's the real game changer, XLOOKUP can return multiple columns at once. Just expand the return array like this. Press enter, and boom! Excel brings back name, department, and salary in a single formula. Clean, powerful, and no extra steps. And that's it. If this saved you time, like this video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel tips that make your work faster and easier.